called me like 2 times before I answered because I didn't realize you called. And the only words is, it's like, hi Barb, I want that motorcycle.
What's up, butt nuggets?
So today we're driving over to pay our rent. Goodbye.
I want to do it.
Oh man, I'm getting paid today.
You're getting deducted for your services.
Hi.
Doc pay for napping on the job. Remember that.
When do I ever nap? When do I ever nap?
I don't see no bags with no eyes.
Because I put makeup on.
Because you always napping.
I never nap. Kaden, do I ever take naps?
Yeah, you do take that.
I do not. You're so full. Both of you are full of shit.
Told you. He said, yeah.
Oh, you hit the curb.
Yep.
Curb check. Jesus.
It's also like turning a full-size yacht.
Daddy?
No, I think that would be easier. It's Peggy.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Oh,
Because I gotta go pick up Gus from the groomers.
oh, because she saw me walking in and so she decided to leave.
I just gotta call.
She saw me and decided to leave. Why is there someone sitting naked on your couch? Why is there someone naked on your couch?
No, it's a $4,000 ball. That's right, I don't touch it.
Her.
Hello.
Hi,
Third time you've seen
Peggy. Our entire relationship. That's the third time I've seen her.
Get out of there. What y'all doing?
I'm just like waiting for her eyes to move or like an arm or something.
the doll.
Yeah.
Well, it might for you. The lady says her kids are scared to death of it.
Hey, David.
Water ball, come
She's
here.
even got.
Dang. Oh. So, like a real person?
What did you fix on her?
Everything.
Yeah, the rubber bands inside.
She was all loose, her arms and stuff were all.
Oh. So like in her arms and stuff, there's rubber.
Yeah, it's got a
Get over here.
big cord. It
We
runs
all-
Oh, like one of those little things, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you tie it onto the hand and work it back up through to the other arm. The joints have to come apart so you can re-string.
Huh.
But she's really a nice one. It takes 2 men and a mule to string her. And if you don't do it just right, that head will shoot across.
But all she's got is one stubborn jackass here.
And the little jackass just showed up.
Yep.
Oh!
No, eat it.
But you'll get a paper and then you just drive around with paper, whatever, that if you get pulled over, you just say,
Bite it.
because you're going to a show or whatever, and that's it.
Eat it.
A little closer now. Oh,
And they only give you one plate.
Huge.
You're gonna
So
no
you only have
no.
one in the back.
Here, watch this.
Gets bigger.
Get out of there. Get out of there. David.
He's like, I want this.
David.
What about this?
No, that's.
That's his beads. His hairy stinking beads.
No, you can't take these home. Look at him.
You can eat popcorn and put the popsicle back in.
Mike, I really appreciate you helping me get my motorcycle. I get to sit out there and start it up and go vood vood.
Oh yeah, I still haven't seen it. I need to see it.
Yeah, I haven't ridden it yet.
I sent it and I was like either she's gonna like it or she's gonna hate it. And then you called me like 2 times before I answered because I didn't realize you called. And the only words is it's like, hi Barb, I want that motorcycle. That's all. Not even hi Mike. It's, I want that motorcycle.
Exactly.
I wanted that motorcycle.
Okay.
Really bad. And the young
That's Men in Black.
that
Scooby-Doo.
Marcus, is that his name?
Yeah.
He was so nice about that because he was out and about, and I said, when can I see it? He said, I'll be about 45 minutes getting back to the house. He said, I got another guy that's won't look at it. I said, I'm on my way, and I have cash. I pulled up, and I was ready for that cycle right then. He knew it.
Exactly, slide right on.
I went out to the Harley shop. They look really nice out there too, but I didn't get on the other. Now look at this. Now if I don't break it, pulling it down.
I want that.
Surprise is
You can have it. The goose. I got mine. All right. All right. Take a picture of the goose.
Here comes Maverick and Goose.
That's supposed to be going like this. Supposed to be going like this. You ride a motorcycle. Boom. There you go. There you go.
Wooden, wooden, wooden.
I don't want the motorcycle outside, see?
You know. Remember when I was pregnant and you told me once I was all better, you would take me bowling?
And horseback
Are
riding.
you all better?
I'm all better now.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I don't know.
I'm not pregnant no more.
Your finger looks pretty bad.
What size shoe do you wear?
8?
I'm not going to these
The
shoes.
same size you wear?
No.
I want to go to these shoes.
Maybe 9.
I can't rent shoes from the bowling place?
Can't wear it.
I can't rent the shoes from the bowling place?
Yeah, they cost $7 a pair. They're ridiculous.
I got some quarters. I'll pay them in quarters. What's the matter, babe?
I'd love to eat a Raising Cane's.
Why can't we?
Because Kate's allergic to it.
Hi, Raising Cane's.
Is that Raisin Cane's?
Yeah, that's Raising Cans.
I guess I can't eat anything.
You sure can.
I'll just eat grass and trees.
See, okay, well, that's
You're more allergic to those than you are food.
I thought Chick-fil-A was closed today.
only for kids named Caden. Dude, I already told you this.
Man, only I'm doing.
No, I'm not doing it.
Right here.
Mommy, do this.
Well, then go.